Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today we're installing a freestanding bench in a backyard, a beautiful backyard in scenic and historic Tacoma, Washington. So if you like what you see today, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when we're putting out new content. Don't forget to comment below and like our videos. We really appreciate it. Okay, so you guys didn't get to see the process of how we made this bench, but it's made. And what we're doing is we're putting composite post sleeves 2 feet down into the ground. So this is all AZEK and TimberTech decking that we've heat manipulated by deck board bending. So go check out Dr. Deck's masterclass if you want to learn how to manipulate deck boards like we do. Then we're going to use TimberTech post sleeves to cover up the ugly composite posts. So these are never going to rot. So we're not even putting these in concrete. We're just going to dig some holes, put some crushed rock in there, and just put some rock around them, and then maybe fill them back up with a little bit of dirt and tamp around them and call it good. They're never gonna rot, they're never gonna decay. This bench is gonna be here as long as the treated lumber lasts as in the frame. And we J-tape that as well, so this bench is gonna be around for 50 years. Very close to 10 feet. Very close to 10 feet, okay. I think we're close enough to where we need to be that we can go ahead and dig these holes, and then we just need to mark them out, and then we got to dig them down. You know, our finish is the concrete back there. So if we just dig these 2 feet deep, maybe we go a little deeper than 2 feet so we can put a little crushed rock in there, and then we'll go from there. Cause look at that thing's level right now, man, hot dog. That's what I'm talking about. And these holes don't have to be huge. Right. But, you know, you gotta be able to get a post hole digger in them. We're close. Naziz's getting some gravel, and we're going to start pinning one end of this bench, and then we'll move the other bench into alignment, and then we'll get that leveled out, and then we should be able to just fill all these holes up and be done.
Does it work?
It works awesome. My butt is happy.
Good.
Yes, killer place for a bench with the view and all.
I don't know why it's hazy over here and not over there. Must be the haze and
the purple.
The haze in Tacoma stays mainly on the plains. I don't know. What is that?
I was gonna ask you a question, but not anymore.
Alright guys, that's all we have for you today. We achieved our goal of getting this bench installed, and it's nice and solid. Alright, no flex. So if you like what you saw, please click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out fresh content. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Have a great day.